Hi there! Ready to explore? Elena builds a sandcastle, feeling the warm sun on her back and listening to the gentle waves splash. Elena runs across the playground, the shell in her hand shimmering under the bright noon sun. Elena explores the forest, where leaves rustle and birds chirp in the soft afternoon light. Elena carefully uses a magnifying glass in the lab, watching the tiny details spring to life. Elena giggles and chats with friends in the lunchroom about the magic of gravity. Elena observes the moon's glow from the garden, feeling the cool night breeze on her cheeks. Elena dreams of the moon's gentle hug, wondering if it smiles back at her from the sky. See you soon.
Thank you very much.